Thanks to a strong technological foundation we now have, the next normal would usher in rapid changes across all walks of life and business spheres. I believe that innovation, agility, and resiliency are the three key pillars we must embrace to succeed in the next normal. Talking about innovation, rapid pace of innovation would disrupt many industries, especially the services industries, while the manufacturing industries would witness increased digitalization, moving towards autonomous factories. While most systems of record would move to commoditized cloud platforms, there is still a tremendous amount of value to be unlocked through systems of intelligence such as the operation center solutions built with integrated platforms like our Actelligence. Coming to agility, businesses that are not agile would find it difficult to survive in the next normal. It is going to be tough catching up with increased customer expectations while continuously guarding against impending disruptions in business models and even the products or services offered. And talking about resiliency, given these challenges, and the fact that more such disasters are lurking in the future, it is important to have a business continuity plan to safeguard against any such eventuality in the future and be resilient. Yeah, post-COVID era would call for increased digitalization in our target industry segments. Any digital transformation initiative would be more successful if driven from an integrated operations center, and every business in the next normal must have a business continuity plan supported by an emergency response center solution. Both the solutions can be delivered on top of our Actelligence platform, which has already made its mark in the smart city and smart grid command control centers, and gaining good traction in other industry sectors like oil and gas, power generation, transportation, and other digital infrastructure segments. Thank you.